In this video, I wanted to go over Launchifi and some of the cool things you could do with it. Launchifi is a no-code solution that allows you to deploy contracts straight to the blockchain. Luckily for us, that includes the ERC-721 and ERC-1155 contracts. So let's try it out. Head to launchifi.xyz. Once you get here, you can click Launch Now. What's great about Launchifi is that there's a huge selection of pre-built contracts, making finding the one for you and your needs easy. Today, let's deploy an ERC-721 contract. But before we do that, let's connect our wallet. Launchifi makes deploying a contract super easy. You don't have to spend hours learning how to write in Solidity. Launchifi guides you through each step of the way. All you have to do is fill in your desired contract details. Launchifi does a great job giving you a brief description of each input, so all you have to do is fill in the boxes. I'm going to name this contract T-Spheres. I'm going to give my contract a symbol here, and then give my collection a name. Here is where you'll put the RUI that points to your JSON metadata files. I'll be copying and pasting in the URI from Pinata. Do be sure that what you paste in matches the format example that Launchifi shows you. After that, we're going to scroll down to supply details. I'll set the price of each NFT to 1 Telos and the total supply to 5. Max per transaction, I'll set that to 1, and max per wallet, 1 as well. If you click Advanced Setup, you can easily add additional functions to your contract. This makes your contract feel even more custom. You can turn on things like a whitelist function. You can turn on hidden/reveal functionality. You can enable airdrop functionality and enable royalties functionalities. You can also enable split payments. Split payments allow you to split the payments from your NFT collection between 2 or more wallets. You can edit that here. Here you can type in the addresses to the wallets and the percentage you'd like them to receive. But for this contract, I'm going to skip any additional functions. I'll let you all explore that on your own. Once you've gotten this far, you're given the option to copy the code. Copying the contract allows developers to take the contract that they've created, add to it, or remove things, and deploy the contract on their own. But if that's not your cup of tea, you can always use Launchifi to deploy your contract. All you have to do is press deploy. Launchifi makes their service 100% free for creators. But if you decide to use their Mint marketplace, which I'm going to show you how to do next, there is a $1 fee that is implemented with each mint. So to keep it as no code as possible, let's press deploy and deploy our contract. Please confirm the transaction in your wallet, and for around 40 cents, we can deploy this NFT contract. Let's do that. Click confirm. And in seconds, our contract has been deployed. Your NFT contract, or any contract that you deploy with Launchifi, will be automatically verified. But this can take some time, so give it around 10 minutes or so. You can view your contract address here, so let's click it. It takes us right to Telos Scan. And here's our contract. In the next few minutes or so, this contract will be verified. Now that our contract is verified, let's go back to Launchifi. We are done with the deployment, so now we can close this pop-up and head over to Launchifi's Mint Marketplace, where you can set up your customizable collection page. Let's click here to check it out. Clicking that link brings you to mint.launchifi.xyz. So whenever you need to set up a customizable collection page for an NFT contract that you deployed using Launchifi, you can head to mint.launchifi.xyz. Now that we are here, we want to connect the same wallet used to deploy the NFT contract. After that, let's scroll down to find our newly deployed collection. Once you've found and clicked your collection, you should be able to edit your customizable minting page by clicking on the gear icon found to the right. Now that we are here, we can first edit our collection information. I'll upload a profile image. Then I'll select a category. I'll then select a collection mint date. You are given the option to give your collection a cover photo if you have one, after you have removed the default one. Below that, you can give your collection a short description, and below that, you can write up a longer description. If you'd like, you can upload multiple images from your collection here. These will be displayed in an image carousel. Below that, you can paste in your website, Discord, Twitter, and Instagram, if you have one. After you make changes to your collection info, make sure to click Save and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Now we can proceed with the contract interface. Here, if needed, you can pause or unpause minting of your collection. Currently, minting isn't paused. Down below, you can set a new mint price, and when you're ready to withdraw the Telos you've made from the sales of your NFT, you can press Withdraw to withdraw the Telos you've made. Below this, you can add team or artist information. Some things you may want to do is include a profile image, bio, or even social media links. In addition to that, you can also add a roadmap with milestones, or even include some frequently asked questions. I'll let you explore all of these things on your own, but do make sure to press save whenever you make changes. Keep in mind, the more built out your profile, the better. Now let's go back and check out the changes we've made. You can now see the profile photo, short description, and long description here. If you added to the team or roadmap sections, you'd be able to click and see the information here. Now let's try minting one of the NFTs to see how it works. Take note, Launchifi automatically includes their $1 minting fee to each mint. Down here, you can adjust how many you'd like to mint by pressing the plus or minus buttons. But because of these contract settings, let's just mint one. Now we can press mint and confirm in our wallet. Now that the mint has gone through, let's refresh the page. And perfect. 1 of 5 have been minted. After purchasing the NFT, I was able to import it and find it via MetaMask. So now I know everything is working smoothly. Now that my collection page is up and running, I can take this link and share it with my collectors or even post it to my social media accounts. Also, because the collection is now live, yourself and others should be able to find and mint your NFTs on mint.launchifi.xyz. So we did it. We've deployed an NFT contract and set up a minting page. Please be sure to drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Also, be sure to follow Telos on Twitter at HelloTelos. Links to our Twitter and other social media accounts can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching.